held up as good as it could against this stuff. That was just dead foam anyways. Let's keep going. Alright guys, got this 90% of the way done. 80% of it's on me. But so we're just getting it prepped and ready for when the Alcantara comes in a couple days in the mail, however long it takes. I don't know. I'm not too picky because we still gotta do the interior. It's probably best to do it all at once. Yeah, that'll do it for today. Thanks guys. See ya.